How a plant-based diet can enhance physical and mental well-being. Have you ever wondered if the food on your plate could be the key to unlocking better mental clarity, a healthier body, and even a longer life? What if the answer to feeling your best is as simple as switching to a plant-based diet? In today's video, we're diving into the incredible ways a plant-focused lifestyle can transform not only your physical health, but also your mental well-being. Do you know what a plant-based diet is? Fruits, veggies, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes are just a few of the plant-based foods that are important to a plant-based diet. It doesn't mean giving up all animal goods, but it does mean making plants the main part of meals. Some types of plant-based diets are vegetarianism, which doesn't allow meat, veganism, which doesn't allow any animal products, and flexitarian or reducitarian diets, which focus on plant-based foods but allow some animal products once in a while. A lot of people switch to a plant-based diet for moral or environmental reasons, but the health benefits are just as strong. Many of these diets are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and low in cholesterol and fatty fats. This makes them good for your heart, your weight, and, as new studies show, your mental health as well. How a plant-based diet can help your body? Better heart health and a lower risk of heart disease. People know that plant-based meals are good for heart health. Fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats found in fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes, and other plant-based foods can help lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation. A large study released in JAMA Internal Medicine found that people who eat a plant-based diet have a 16% lower risk of heart disease and a 25% lower risk of dying before their time. Saturated fats, which are found in a lot of red and processed meats and are linked to plaque buildup in the arteries, are usually lower in plant-based foods. Instead, these diets often focus on foods that are high in healthy fats like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. These fats can help keep your heart healthy, taking care of your weight. Plant-based meals naturally have a lot of fiber, which helps your body digest food, makes you feel full, and keeps you from eating too much. Fiber-rich foods take longer to digest, which can help you feel full longer and keep your weight in check. Researchers have found that people who eat mostly plants tend to have lower body mass indices, BMIs, than people who eat mostly animals. Besides that, plant-based foods usually have fewer calories per gram than animal goods. Leafy veggies, fruits, and legumes are good sources of nutrients that don't come with a lot of calories. This makes it easier to keep a healthy weight over time. Because of this, a well-balanced plant-based diet can be a good way to lose weight and keep it off. Better digestion. A plant-based diet is high in fiber, which helps digestion and keeps the gut bacteria healthy. Fiber keeps you from getting constipated, helps good bugs grow in your gut, and makes your immune system stronger. A healthy gut has been linked to many parts of physical health, such as absorbing nutrients better and lowering inflammation. Not only that, but a healthy plant-based diet full of whole foods can also lower the chance of digestive problems like IBS, constipation, and bloating. Because they provide a steady supply of soluble and insoluble fibers, plant-based meals are good for the gut and help digestion work better. Less likely to get type 2 diabetes. Studies have found a link between plant-based diets and a lower chance of getting type 2 diabetes. Fiber in plant foods helps keep blood sugar levels steady by taking longer to absorb glucose. This keeps blood sugar from rising too quickly. Plant-based meals also tend to be low in processed carbohydrates and refined sugars, both of which can make insulin resistance worse. The American Diabetes Association, ADA, even says that people with diabetes can benefit from a plant-based diet and suggests it as a way to make insulin work better and keep blood sugar levels healthy. Eating a lot of fruits, veggies, legumes, and whole grains can help you avoid getting diabetes and keep it under control. Life extension and disease prevention. Antioxidants, phytonutrients, and essential vitamins and minerals found in plant-based diets can help protect cells from damage and lower the chance of chronic diseases, such as some types of cancer. People who eat a lot of fruits, veggies, and whole grains are less likely to get digestive system cancers like colorectal cancer, according to studies. Diets that are high in plants also help people live longer. According to research from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, eating a lot of fruits, veggies, and nuts can make a person live up to 10 years longer. Plant-based diets make it more likely that you will live a healthy and longer life by lowering your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. A plant-based diet is good for your mental health. Less chance of getting depressed and anxious. More and more research shows that what you eat is very important for your mental health. A study in the journal Nutritional Neuroscience found that people who eat mostly plants are less likely to be depressed and anxious than people who eat a lot of processed foods and red meat. For instance, leafy greens are a good source of folate, which helps the brain make dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel good. People who eat foods like nuts, seeds, and whole grains can get magnesium, which calms down the nervous system and makes you feel better. Mood disorders are linked to oxidative stress, which can be stopped by eating fruits and veggies. Better memory and cognitive function. Eating more plant-based foods, especially those high in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins like flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds, has been linked to better brain health. A study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that people who eat a lot of plants are less likely to develop dementia and cognitive loss. Plant-based foods also have a lot of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which have been shown to help with memory and focus. Because they help neurotransmitters work and the brain change, these nutrients help keep the mind sharp. Lowering stress and happiness. The gut-brain axis, which is the link between the gut and the brain, is very important for mental health. A plant-based diet helps keep your gut microbiome healthy, which has been linked to less stress and worry. A healthy microbiome can cause serotonin levels to rise. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps keep moods stable and makes people happy. Tryptophan is an amino acid that helps the body make serotonin. Leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are all plant-based foods that contain it. The plant-based diet can help improve happiness and lower stress by giving the gut fiber and other nutrients. This is good for mental health in general. Advice on how to start eating more plants. Take it easy and set goals. For those who are new to a plant-based diet, slowly cut back on animal goods and eat more plant-based foods. Start with just 1 or 2 plant-based meals a week and gradually add more. It can be easier to make the change if you set reasonable goals, like agreeing to meatless Mondays. Pay attention to whole foods. Avoid plant-based foods that have been through a lot of processing because they often have extra sugars, fats that are bad for you, and chemicals. Eat lots of whole foods like fruits, veggies, grains, and beans. These are good for your health the most and help you get the nutrients you need for good mental and physical health. Make your plate more interesting. Others think that plant-based diets are boring because they don't have a lot of different foods. To make sure you get a lot of different nutrients, eat a variety of fruits, veggies, grains, nuts, and seeds. Putting different things on your plate keeps meals interesting and makes sure you get all the vitamins and minerals you need. Plan where you will get your protein. Beans, lentils, quinoa, and tofu are just a few of the plant-based foods that are high in protein. As the day goes on, eat a mix of protein-rich foods to meet your needs. To get more protein, try going with beans and rice or adding mets to meals. Keep up with the news and ask for help. Giving up meat and switching to a plant-based diet can be hard, but plant-based recipes, online forums, and support groups can help you stay committed. It can also be helpful to talk to a nutritionist or chef, especially to make sure you get all the nutrients you need. A plant-based diet is very good for your health, both physically and mentally. A plant-based diet has many benefits, such as better heart health, helping with weight loss, lowering stress, and making it easier to think clearly. Putting an emphasis on whole foods that are high in nutrients can make your body and mind healthy and stronger. Whether you're thinking about switching to a plant-based diet or just eating more plant-based foods, the benefits to your physical and mental health are huge and well worth the work. If you're excited to keep learning ways to improve your health and well-being, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more tips, insights, and inspiration on living your best life every day.